Let's talk about soccer. Soccer is a very popular sport. People play it all over the world. You play soccer on a large field. The field has short green grass. There are 2 teams. Each team has 11 players. Each team has a goal at one end of the field. The goal is a large net. You kick a round ball. You try to get the ball into the other team's goal. You cannot touch the ball with your hands. You use your feet and your head. One player on each team is the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper protects the goal. A game of soccer has 2 halves. Each half is 45 minutes. When the ball goes into the goal, your team scores a point. This is called a goal. The team with the most goals wins the game. Soccer is a fast game. You run a lot and need to be quick. Many people play soccer for fun. You can play with your friends at a park. You exercise a lot. You work together as a team. Soccer brings people together. It is one of the most loved sports in the world.